Greetings, Crad here.
And I am Dean.
Real name, Trevor. We're here to taste Marianne Eaves blind tasting whiskey box. So, Eaves blind. What we have here are a curated selection of 4 bourbons, along with 2 curated bottles of water. So, if we feel like kind of opening up the bourbon a little bit, we'll add a little bit of water with the provided dropper, and we'll just give our impressions of the whiskeys. Should be known we're amateurs but frequent whiskey drinkers.
They actually gave us these actually blacked out Glencairns, and
See if you can see the
it's
Eaves blind logo in there.
that way we can't even tell what
that's
color
nice.
the bourbons are, so
Yeah.
they're absolutely blind taste testers. They even gave us special
Nice touch.
dropper for the curated water, which I thought was really interesting too. There's a curated water dropper. I'm not sure. I mean, maybe she got the water from her faucet. I'm not sure, but there's 2 of them, and they're supposedly.
However, it says it's not drinking water.
Yeah,
but
so
we're
I don't
gonna-
know if we
we're
should
gonna
drink it.
I assume
We'll
it's
see.
potable. Yeah.
Or maybe not. So.
And my thought is, and I don't know if this is true, but my thought is maybe this is limestone water. Maybe something from Kentucky, the same kind of water that they use to make the bourbons with.
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do blended first, or we're gonna do single hour first?
Let's do the blended first.
Okay. All right.
And so what we're going to do today is kind of increment out the portions of the whiskey that we're trying, and hopefully at the end of the year we'll have information from Marianne Eaves on what each of these whiskeys are, and we can come back and try each one again now with the knowledge of, well, this is a single barrel from Wild Turkey with these characteristics, and compare that to what we think about it today.
You have a special way you want to
Yeah.
open this? Or
Yeah.
just
Break the seal and pull the cork. This is the exciting part of the video.
Talk amongst yourselves. Okay. Yeah, we can do like this one is a little bit more so.
Yeah. So this is also provided with the box.
Oh, that was in the box too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In the big box, not inside of this black box. It'd really help if I level this out. Looks so video. So there's a 10 milliliter pour for you.
I wish I could see the color actually. That makes a big difference on the
Don't look.
inch of yeah.
Don't look.
I know, I could see actually saw it in there, so
So you saw the color.
this is
These are all a lot younger than I expected. And that's kind of what I'm getting.
a really woody though. It's more woody than I thought it would be because it's a bourbon.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Salute. I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to open it up with the water now? The special
Yeah, I think we should.
special
So
action created water.
it's got a little bit of burn, right? Like,
Yeah.
and I think that's the youth of the selected bourbon.
You're gonna use the magical dropper.
Well, I
You
think
have
we
to.
have to.
The magical water dropper.
Oh. So I guess I'm supposed to pour from
Yeah,
this
you're
bottle
supposed
to this bottle.
Yeah, I guess so.
This might be a smoother process the second time we make one of these videos. Or if we've done, any kind of research on how this is supposed to work. So,
Well, and it's pretty lucky that my wife saw that the number that's
Oh, yeah.
on top, the letters and the numbers that match here are the same on the bottle. So we're trying to put
the N01.
the correct water opener with the correct whiskey. So that was a good thing.
You wanna
Yeah.
go first?
Just a couple of drops, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, pour some in my mouth now.
Here, open.
Oh, that actually smells a lot different. No.
Oh.
It's more floral now. That's a totally different.
I get a lot of caramel now.
Yeah. Now it tastes like a bourbon. The first sip was kind of like
Well, you think woody? I just got a lot of like rubbing alcohol. I don't want to say it because it sounds mean. But, yeah, I guess
it was kind of like it
kind
of kicked you in the face, the first one.
Yeah. But yeah, now this is a little bit caramely to me.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yeah. So for posterity's sake, this is the N0101 Bravo Papa. Bravo Papa.
I think it's the water. I think I should taste the water.
Taste it.
The water is good.
Yeah.
The water doesn't taste like anything.
Yeah, but it worked. It worked.
It tastes like sink water.
It did.
No, just kidding.
It did what she wanted it to do, right?
No, it actually did.
Yeah.
It totally changed the flavor profile.
Yeah, I was judging it pretty harshly. Now I kind of like it.
Yeah.
So.
Put down the wrong pipe.
Oh.
Good.
Yeah.
That was good. Okay, much better.
Cool.
Okay, now we're going to do a single.
Yes.
Or we're going to wait.
Let's go ahead and do the single barrel.
Okay.
I'm just going to rinse our glasses out.
Sink water.
Let's do this as amateurish as possible.
Alright, so this is the next one. The single barrel.
Also N01, right?
Yeah, N01.
So it goes with the same selected water, same separated water.
Okay, sorry. the water. The water is making me laugh, actually.
And we're just incrementing this out to make sure that we have enough left to do this again at the end of the year.
I did. I already looked at the color.
Alright.
Oh, this one smells totally different. This one smells like mushrooms. Doesn't it smell like mushroom? It has a mushroom, like almost like a fungus smell. Why is that?
I guess it's cinnamon.
Oh yeah.
Off the taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a much better first sip than the other one.
Like this one, I feel like I could drink, several pours of this without needing to add any water or open it up or anything. What's the proof difference? This one is 61.45. This one is 61.76. So effectively the same.
Okay.
So it's not just a matter of the proof. It's just we like this bourbon more.
Okay. With the 2 drops of water now. Special water.
What?
Non-drinkable water. Only in whiskey.
It's only whiskey. Yeah. Mix that water in there.
I don't know. I like the blended one better. This one's good though.
I liked this.
I think you like that one better because it's not as sweet, not as caramelly. I like this one better because that's my taste profile.
I'll say I liked this one after we added water the most. I liked it the least before we added the water.
You're right.
And then this one, I don't like it after adding the water. Maybe I like, maybe.
The initial punch in the face.
Yeah. Before I added the water, it's a lot better. Now it tastes too dilute.
Now just pour both of them in your mouth and see what happens. Yeah. It's very different after the water.
In 0101 BPS. Single barrel.
Yeah. The two of you gotta taste this one.
Yeah, this is for you guys.
Just
Do
do a
you-
voiceover. I'll talk, but it's
Okay, you don't
but
have to.
you have to
you don't, okay, you don't have to be in the frame if you don't want. But you can do the tasting. So just in case I end up like working this into the video, we have a couple ladies here that maybe don't want to be in the frame.
Yeah.
But they're helping us with this tasting. For this, they had the opposite reaction that we did. They felt it had more flavor before adding the water, and then more alcohol taste after adding the water. So
Yeah, which is
complete
absolutely
opposite from
opposite.
us.
Yeah.
Now what we're gonna do is, so this dropper has water from my fridge filter, and they just want to try it. So they've tried it with Marianne Eaves water, and they just want to try it now with filtered water from my fridge. Or maybe some Hawaiian Isles in a bottle. Yeah. So some bottled water.
Should I do that one?
You can do it fridge, and she can do Hawaiian Isles.
Okay, sounds good.
So.
Did you drop already? I dropped from this, so he said maybe you should try this one.
Yeah, if you want, you can use that
Or
dropper.
you can
in
use the
bottle.
same one.
Yeah. You just might have to tilt it if it doesn't reach.
Yeah,
There you
got
go.
it.
Perfect. Cool.
I think they might have more refined taste
I think
buds
it
than
does
we do.
taste different
it's scientific.
with this water than the water she provided.
Yeah.
But I like the flavor more because, like I said, before we added the water, it was more flavorful to me. It's still more flavorful with this water. That water almost diluted it too much. But I only
Oh.
put one drop also in that
Okay.
one.
Tastes more sweet
Mhm.
With the
with
the
this
white
water.
water.
Yeah, with
Okay.
this
Then
water.
this water?
Yeah, than
Okay.
that water.
I know for me, I put
See,
one drop
that's-
and one drop.
That's
both
absolutely
times.
different from what we. That is
contains more
interesting because it's
flavor.
absolutely different.
Yeah.
But that means her water is doing something different.
Yeah, no.
Curated
That
water is
curated
doing
water
something
is
different.
something special.
and
Definitely.
that's really all that we're looking for.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
This is the kind of hard-hitting information that we're here to bring to you, the faithful viewer. All right.
That is okay.
That
Look,
is
that's-
interesting.
That's super interesting, actually. Your face like this. Here we are. Okay, here we are back again for round two, the second side of the box, and we'll be trying the blended Eaves line S1 side. Oh no, S0.
That's 09. Hopefully this camera focuses.
Yeah, maybe not, but we'll be
I don't
trying
know.
it. Okay.
I'll learn today.
Oh. The whole cart falls in.
In a fork?
No, you can't. I can't be pouring in that small little thing. Whoa. I see the color. Ooh. That's That smells hot. This smells young. Just like the other one, though.
They're young.
It's not.
It's nice.
That's sweet.
Cheers.
Cheers. This blended is a lot sweeter than the other one on the first sip.
This reminds me of Peerless. The Peerless bourbon. Kind of has that punch.
Like young, but
Yeah.
almost, it kind of has almost like a little bit of a licorice. Is that correct? I don't know.
Maybe.
I'm pretending like I know what I'm talking about.
I think that's what everyone's doing, though.
Yeah.
I think that's the secret of
Oh,
the whiskey industry. They're all just
it's a total
pretending.
different smell.
I feel like before and after the water isn't as big of a difference this time.
No. It almost tastes like the same drum. Yeah. You wanna try it? Yeah, similar.
What do you think?
It's
I
just-
like it.
I would just say it's oh, the cap's not on there.
I know.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I wouldn't say it's as good as the other two for sure.
Yeah. If I was going to buy a bottle, this isn't the one.
No, of those four,
Yeah.
of these three so far. Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we rinse and try the second one?
Yeah. S0901MD.
This is the single barrel, right?
Yes.
This one is super young smelling. It has nothing. It tastes nothing like these. Is this a higher proof?
Lower. 59%.
This one was also. Oh yeah, lower also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is this one.
Kind of has a rye flavor. I get rye.
This one tastes almost mushroomy, fungusy too. It's like the other single barrel. Again, it was paired with a special
Signature water.
water that has the same SO1.
I get even more rye
Yeah.
now.
Try to smell.
Rye and tobacco.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's super earthy. This one is really earthy, even more earthy than that one.
Yeah. In all, I'm enjoying these two less than
Yes.
the first two.
Definitely. I think my favorite was the first one.
Yes, I agree.
This one.
Yeah. The
This
caramel notes were nice.
Yeah. I think this first one was the best.
Yeah.
Then my second favorite would be that. I don't know, but these two, yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like there's not a depth of the caramel or any kind of flavor. It's almost
Yeah.
just like a very young bourbon.
This reminds me of the Yellowstone that I had.
Or the Peerless when you first crack
But this
crack
one,
it open.
yeah, this one reminds me of the Peerless. This one reminds me of the Yellowstone.
It's almost like a young bourbon.
Yeah. Yeah, this one
Not
is
as enjoyable.
6.5 years.
Which you would think would be. The other ones are younger.
I think
right?
I think of most bourbons as being like 8 and up, but yeah, these were younger, 4.2 for both of these.
Mm.
This one is 3.2. This one's the youngest by far.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know if I would buy a bottle of this.
I know I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that I would not.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what is it. It's just.
I mean, I've had other bourbons like the Yellowstone that had like a tobacco couch leather kind of flavor to it. It's not,
It does.
Yeah, it's not
It
my.
does kind of taste like a leathery,
Yeah.
almost like a leathery flavor.
That's not my kind of preferred.
But maybe
bourbon
some
flavor.
people like that. It's possible.
I'm absolutely sure.
It's right there,
Yeah.
right behind your water.
Oh,
The cap.
Okay.
Oh no, right there.
my water.
You hide it. You hid it from
Yeah.
yourself.
I am a Menahone.
You.
Speaking of water.
Alright. Well, I guess we're gonna find out what everybody else thinks tomorrow at the Zoom. I guess, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we'll watch Marianne Eaves Zoom. See
Okay,
how that
well,
goes.
cheers, guys.
Cheers. Thanks for watching.